In the last lesson, we looked at what accounting is and why it matters. Now we move to one of the most important foundations in all of accounting, the 5 building blocks of accounting. If you understand these 5 building blocks, you will find the rest of accounting much easier to follow. Because almost every financial transaction connects to at least one of them. The 5 building blocks are assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Every beginner should become very familiar with these words, because they appear again and again in accounting, reports, journal entries, and business decisions. Here is a simple way to think about them. Assets are what the business owns. Liabilities are what the business owes. Equity is the owner's interest in the business. Revenue is income earned by the business. And expenses are the costs of running the business. If you remember that simple framework, you already have a strong starting point. Let us begin with assets. Assets are resources the business controls and expects to use for benefit. In beginner language, assets are things the business owns or controls that help it operate or create value. Cash is an asset. Equipment is an asset. Inventory is an asset. A business bank account balance is an asset. And even money owed to the business by customers can be an asset. Let us go back to our example business Coastal Brew Café Ltd. What assets might a cafe have? Cash in the bank, a coffee machine, tables and chairs, milk and coffee beans, cups and supplies, and perhaps money receivable from customers if the cafe sold on credit. All of these help the business operate. That is why they are called assets. Now let us look at liabilities. Liabilities are amounts the business owes to other people or organizations. In simple terms, a liability is a business debt or obligation. If the cafe takes a bank loan, that loan is a liability. If it receives an electricity bill but has not paid it yet, that can be a liability. If it buys supplies on credit and pays later, that amount owed is also a liability. So, liabilities represent obligations the business must eventually settle. Now we come to equity. Equity is the owner's interest in the business. It is what remains after subtracting liabilities from assets. You can think of equity as the owner's share in the business. If the owner invests money into the cafe, that increases equity. If the business earns profit and keeps it in the business, that can also increase equity. So equity represents the owner's financial stake in the business. Now let us look at revenue. Revenue is the income a business earns from its normal activities. For a cafe, revenue usually comes from selling coffee, food, and other items to customers. When Coastal Brew sells a coffee for cash, that sale creates revenue. Revenue tells us how much the business has earned. But revenue on its own does not tell us profit, because the business still has costs to pay. That brings us to expenses. Expenses are the costs a business incurs while earning revenue. For a cafe, expenses may include rent, wages, electricity, coffee beans, milk, cleaning, supplies, and many other operating costs. Expenses reduce profit. So when we compare revenue and expenses, we begin to understand whether the business is performing well. At this point, let us bring the 5 building blocks together. Assets, what the business owns. Liabilities, what the business owes. Equity, the owner's interest. Revenue, income earned. Expenses, costs incurred. These 5 categories help organize business activity into a clear accounting structure. This is why they are such an important foundation. Let us test this with a few simple examples. If Coastal Brew buys a new coffee machine, that relates to assets. If Coastal Brew takes out a bank loan, that relates to liabilities. if the owner adds another $10,000 into the business. That relates to equity. If the cafe makes sales to customers, that relates to revenue. And if the cafe pays rent or wages, that relates to expenses. This is how accountants begin classifying business events. Now, let us do a quick knowledge check. If a cafe pays monthly rent, which building block does that belong to? It belongs to expenses. If a cafe has money in the bank, which building block does that belong to? It belongs to assets. If a cafe owes money on a loan, which building block does that belong to? It belongs to liabilities. This kind of classification is a key accounting skill. Before we finish, remember this. Accounting becomes much easier when you stop seeing it as a wall of numbers and start seeing it as 5 organized categories: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. These 5 building blocks are the foundation of financial statements and many future accounting lessons. In the next lesson, we will take the next step and look at the accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. That equation is one of the most important ideas in accounting. And once you understand it, you will begin to see how the accounting system stays balanced.